Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Motivation of Life. We're thrilled to have you join us today as we dive into the latest updates on Canada's immigration processing times. Whether you're on the path to permanent residency, planning a visit, pursuing studies, or seeking work opportunities in the Great White North, this update is designed to keep you informed and empowered. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. And don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay up to date. Overview of immigration processing times. In this episode, we'll be delving into the most recent processing time changes provided by the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. Our goal is to equip you with the latest information so you can better navigate your journey towards Canada's permanent residency. Understanding processing times. Starting with an overview of the processing times for various visa categories, we'll guide you through the timelines for PR cards, visitor visas, super visas, work permits, and study permits. These insights will provide you with a realistic preview of your application journey, helping you set your expectations and plan accordingly. Commencement of processing time. It's important to note that the processing clock begins ticking as soon as the immigration application is received by the IRCC. From there, it continues until a final decision is reached by the reviewing immigration officer. Citizenship and PR card processing times. Let's start by discussing the processing times for citizenship and PR cards. As of now, the processing period for citizenship grants remains unchanged at 18 months. Citizenship certificates, serving as proof of citizenship, take about 10 months to process. The duration for resuming citizenship is currently 30 months, while renunciation of citizenship takes around 14 months. The processing time for searching citizenship records is 15 months. Permanent resident card processing times. For permanent resident cards, renewing or replacing a PR card takes approximately 94 days. If you're applying for a new PR card, the current processing time is around 33 days. Family sponsorship processing times. Moving on to family sponsorship, the processing times vary based on specific situations. Spouse or common law partner living outside Canada within Quebec can expect a processing time of 24 months, while those living outside Quebec will experience around 13 months. For those living inside Canada within Quebec, the timeline is approximately 25 months, while those outside Quebec should anticipate around 10 months. Parents or grandparents in Canada will experience a processing time of 45 months, while those outside Canada will face about 23 months of processing time. Canadian passport processing times. When it comes to Canadian passports, the processing times differ based on application type. For in Canada new passport applications submitted in person, it takes 10 business days to process. Mailed applications, on the other hand, require about 20 business days. Urgent pickup applications take just 1 business day, while express pickup applications take around 29 business days. Economic class processing times. Moving forward, let's explore the processing times for various economic class programs. The Canadian Experience Class and Federal Skilled Worker Program each take around 5 months to process. The Federal Skilled Trades Program doesn't have sufficient data for an accurate estimate. The Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, through express entry takes approximately 9 months, while the non-express entry PNP takes around 17 months. For Quebec skilled workers, QSW, The processing time is about 17 months. And the Quebec Business Class program takes roughly 62 months. Federal self-employed and other programs processing times. For federal self-employed applicants, the processing time remains at 50 months. The Atlantic Immigration Pilot, AIP, takes around 34 months. And the Startup Visa program requires approximately 37 months for processing. Temporary residence application processing times. Lastly, let's discuss processing times for temporary residence applications. Visitor visa processing times vary depending on the applicant's country of residence. Inside Canada, online visitor visa applications take 17 days to process, while paper-based applications require 35 days. For parents or grandparents applying for the super visa, the processing time varies by country. Study and work permit processing times. Study permit processing times are consistent, taking 7 weeks whether you're applying from outside or inside Canada. Study permit extensions take 75 days for online applications and 125 days for paper-based applications. Work permit processing times vary based on location and application type. Humanitarian and compassionate cases require approximately 19 months for processing. International Experience Canada processing times. Lastly, for International Experience Canada, the current season's processing time is 11 weeks. Conclusion. We hope this comprehensive overview of IRCC's latest processing times has been valuable to you. Please feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to connecting with you in our next episode. Until then, take care and stay motivated.